guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a get to know me tag. There's a lot of questions on the ones I just pulled up on my computer, but I'm just going to go through the ones and I'm just going to pick and choose the questions that I answer. So yeah, let's jump right into it. But the first question is, where did you grow up? I grew up in the South Bend area, which is in northern Indiana. University of Notre Dame is really close to where I live. That was a huge part of my childhood growing up, and it still is. My parents still live in the area, but it's a huge part of it. I love going to Notre Dame games. How tall are you? I'm 5'6" and like 3/4-ish. Me and my best friend Brittany, we would joke about it all the time because we're essentially the same height, but she's like maybe a little bit taller than me, but I never let her get away with that. We always just like joke about it and everything like that. So she's not really taller than me, but like she'll try to tell you she's taller than me, but she's not really taller than me. Dogs or cats? I am definitely a dog person. I'm not a huge cat person. I used to be a bigger cat person, but I'm not really a big cat person anymore. I don't know why. Like, they're cute and everything, don't get me wrong, but I just prefer dogs. Dogs are just so much more fun to me. Funniest moment throughout high school? I don't even know. One time I was getting off the bus. I think I was like a sophomore in high school or something. One time I was getting off the bus and I had a sweatshirt, like a big sweatshirt on and a pair of jeans. And I was walking to the door, to the school door, and I realized that I had a huge rip in my pants, like in the crotch. Like, it was a huge rip in my pants. I think luckily that day I had leggings in my bag or something. I don't know why, but I just happened to have leggings in my bag, so I wore the leggings, which is fine. What year were you born? I was born in 1997. Are you in/have you gone to college? I did go to college and I did graduate in May. Went to St. Mary's for 2 years, and then I transferred to Columbia College, Chicago, and I studied fashion merchandising. That was a really cool experience. What is your favorite drink? I guess I don't know if that's, alcoholic drink or like just regular drink on a daily, but I drink coffee every single day. Like, I can't function without my coffee. I love coffee so much. What sports do you play or have you played? In high school, I did a year of color guard in the marching band, which is like twirling the flags, which was so much fun. And in college, at St. Mary's, I was on the dance team, which is like a POMS team. Have you read any books that changed your life? One book that really changed my life was You Are a Badass. What is your favorite movie? Oh my god, okay. My favorite movie of all time is The Devil Wears Prada. And I think it has a lot to do with fashion and a lot to do with, who I am as a person and how I grew up. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Oh my gosh. Okay, so Learning to Be Fearless, Alex, she is my #1 favorite YouTuber in the whole world. She's just my absolute favorite. I relate to her so much, and I think she's hilarious, and I feel like I've seen her grow through her whole channel and who she is, and I've been watching her for years, and just the way she looks at life and just everything. I just feel so like I relate to her so much. I also like Kaylin Nicholson. Her like plan with me videos and her organizational skill, I think she just has a way about it that's just so kind of admirable to me, and she's very good at what she does. Do you speak any languages? Took French for 5 years in high school and college, so I can speak some French, but I can't like hold the conversation anymore. It's really bad. I need to get back into it. I want to get back into it. But yeah, French has always been something that I was passionate about as well, so French is really fun for me. How would you describe your fashion sense? Oh my god, I don't know. It's hard for me to describe it because I'm very all over the place when it comes to style. I like to dress a lot of different ways, and I like to kind of experience a lot of different styles and everything like that. What is your go-to hairstyle? Pretty much this. I've been doing this actually a lot more recently, where I just like kind of like beachy wave my hair. Takes like 10-15 minutes at the most. It's really not hard or doesn't take long. I like it a lot. Or I'll just part my hair down the middle and I'll wear it straight. Like, my natural hair is pretty straight, so I'll just wear it like that. What is your go-to fast food order? McDonald's chicken strips are the bomb. Do you have any bad habits? I used to bite my nails a lot. I have acrylics now, so I don't bite them, which is good, but I kind of, sometimes I'll bite the cuticles like around my nails, which is really, really gross, and I hate that I do it, but it's like a nervous habit or an anxious habit. What is your favorite Netflix show? Friends. Like, unless you mean like Netflix series. I don't really have one. I guess. I'm gonna look through my Netflix real quick. You on Netflix is easily my favorite show. I watched it like 20 times. I watched the first season like 20 times because it's like so scary, but it's like so interesting. Joe Goldberg, he just got me. And I'm excited for the second season. If you haven't seen the first season, you should definitely binge it, but I hate the way it ends. Like, I absolutely hate the way it ends, and I'm not gonna ruin anything, but it's awful. So awful. What was your dream job as a kid? I always wanted to work in fashion. Because of That's So Raven, I wanted to be a fashion designer, and I would draw a lot in like middle school and high school. But as I grew up, I was kind of like, I don't know if I really want to do that. I could see myself doing that in the future. My coffee order. It depends on the coffee I'm getting. I get a lot of different orders. At Starbucks, most of the time I get a cold brew with sugar-free vanilla and sometimes almond milk. At Dunkin' Donuts, I always get a sugar-free iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla and cream. McDonald's, I also get like a iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla or hot coffee. Who is your celebrity crush? So I don't know if he's really considered a celebrity. He's an NFL player. His name's David Njoku. He plays for the Browns. He has been my crush for like ever. Like ever. I can't even think of anybody else. He's just the only celebrity crush that I can think of that I have. What do I do in my free time? I spend a lot of time watching Friends, but I also work full time in retail, so I spend a lot of time on my feet and I like to just relax. I also try to go to the gym at least 5 times a week. I've been slacking. I've been really slacking the last couple months just because it's kind of a whole new process moving back home and not really having my own space anymore. So it's been a whole process doing that. But other than that, I like to read, but I don't read as often as I should. I also like to sing and dance always in my free time. Always. I'm always singing. What is my favorite color? I like this kind of marbly gray. I also like white. I also like black and gray, and then I also like blush pink because I'm so basic like that. And I also love like an olive green. Those are just my go-to colors. I just love them. They're my favorite. That's all. Do I have any siblings? I have 3 siblings. I have an older brother, a younger brother, and a younger sister. We're all pretty spread out in age. My older brother is 28. My younger brother is 17, and then my younger sister is 14. So we're all kind of spread out. But we get along very well, and I like that a lot. I wouldn't want it any other way. Have you been to any concerts or festivals? Which were the most memorable? I went to Lala this year for one day, and it was the absolute greatest day of my life. Like, I had always been somebody who was like, I don't know, I don't think I'll like it. I don't like being around a lot of people like that, and you know, all that kind of thing. But I went, like, last minute decision. I went, and my best friend and I, we had just had such the greatest time. And it was just so much fun, and I would not trade it for anything. It was just one of the greatest experiences. It was so much fun. In terms of any other concerts, I've been to the 1975 concerts, and One Direction concert in high school because I was such a huge fan. I had to buy One Direction concert tickets. I had to. And I went to Gretchen Wilson, which is a country singer. I don't even know how popular she is, but She is the first country singer that I really liked, so I went to her concert at one of our fairs, and then I saw Hunter Hayes also at a fair. I think that's it. I think that's it. And then in December, I'm going to another The 1975 concert. So it'll be 3, and I'm very excited. Oh, I also saw, I think Machine Gun Kelly and Rise Against and Fall Out Boy in Chicago last September. My brother wanted to see Machine Gun Kelly, so he came to Chicago and stayed with me, and we went to the concert together, so it was a lot of fun. What is one thing you wish people knew about you? I wish people knew how sensitive I really am. What social media are you addicted to? Instagram for sure. I love Instagram. How do you get along with your family? We get along really well, I think. My immediate family and I get along very well. I don't have any beef with any family. I think life is way too short for that. But we rarely fight. We rarely argue. Just that kind of thing. Same with my grandparents and my extended family. We get along really well, and I think that it's really nice to kind of have that family dynamic when it comes to certain things. What is the biggest struggle you overcame? The biggest struggle I ever overcame in my whole entire life would have to be loving myself. I spent, in high school, there was at one point in high school where I was overweight, and then I worked on it, and I worked out, and I ate well, and I lost weight, and everything like that, and I looked good, but it was not enough. And I think that I think before you lose weight and before you start taking care of yourself physically, I think you need to take care of yourself mentally, and I know kind of it all goes hand in hand. And for me, it was I was taking care of myself physically, but not mentally, and everything. I started to develop unhealthy habits, and so I needed to take myself out of that situation and kind of talk myself into being more healthy and more accepting of who I was. And honestly, that's when I found learning to be fearless, and helped me so much when it came to loving myself and accepting myself and not letting people tell you who you should be. And that's another reason that I just can't get over how much I love them, because they're just they represent the person that I wish I had when I was younger. And it came now, which is good, but I didn't have that when I was really young. So it was very important to me to have that and to see that. And even at the young age that I did see it, it changed my life forever. And I'm so grateful to them, and I'm so grateful to the representation that we do have now, like Lizzo and everything like that. It's so important. It's so important. You don't have to be anybody that you don't want to be, and you can love yourself for exactly who you are, and that's what you should do. Who is your role model? Definitely learning to be fearless. She is definitely somebody that I look up to, because she's a couple years older than me. She's been through a lot more than I have. I really look up to her, a lot of the ways that she does things and carries herself in life, and I love that. And I think she's just admirable to me. What are you happiest with in your life? These questions are getting really deep. I'm happiest with the relationship I have with myself. This summer was a turning point for me, in terms of not being, around my friends, having to take care of myself, and having to adjust to, I don't have to go back to school anymore if I don't want to, everything that I do is based on what I choose now. So I'm happiest with the relationship that I have with myself, and the one that I've been working on with myself. I'm also happiest with my job. It's kind of up the alley of the things that I wanted to do, and it's just really exciting and really fun, and I have a lot of fun doing it. So that's always a good thing. And that concludes today's video, the Get to Know Me tag. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.